Hi friends, welcome back to Subhu's Cafe. Today I will be making Aloo Palak, which is quite famous in North India. I am using water spinach for this dish. If you are watching my channel Subhu's Cafe for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all updates. So let's start. I hope you like this recipe. In case you liked it, please try it at your home. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching Subhu's Cafe, where happiness is homemade.